Today, I thought that we'd get ready for game day. So this is a corn dip. And this is a very simple dip to make. Mix it all together, put it in the refrigerator overnight. Let's get started on Darlene's table. I have 8 ounces of cream cheese, or you can use 1 cup of mayonnaise. I have 2 cups of sour cream. Now I have the juice of half of a lime. Now I'm gonna mix this real well. So I did leave the cream cheese out for a few hours to come to room temperature. All right. Now I'm going to add the corn. Got 3 cans. Drain it well. I've got 3 cans of this Mexican style corn, or you can use the one that says Fiesta corn. I lost my mojo. I haven't done this in a while. All right, so half a cup of cilantro. I'm going to put in 1 bunch of chopped green onions. This is actually 3 bunches, so. All right, now it calls for half a teaspoon of cumin, but I rather like a little more cumin. So I put a whole teaspoon. A little salt. I'm going to mix this up well, and then I'm going to add a whole pound of shredded cheese. I'm using a sharp white cheddar by Tillamook. You could use a Monterey Jack, a pepper jack. If you've watched my cooking channel, you know how much I like this cheese. It's going to make a lot, and we're going to let it sit overnight. This is a pound of shredded cheese. Start with a little. Now I shredded it myself. Tillamook does make a very good already shredded cheese. Some of the other brands I don't particularly care for when they shred them, because they put some ingredient, and I'm not quite sure what, on it to keep it from melting or to keep it from sticking together. And I don't like the way the taste has turned out. And then, like I said, it's going to go in the refrigerator until tomorrow. And then I'll probably sprinkle it with some more green onion, a little cilantro. You could even put some chopped crispy bacon on it, which I think I'll do. After tasting this, I decided it needed more lime, so I'm putting the other half in here. Now I'm going to do a few dashes of cayenne pepper and mix it well. Gotta have a little zip to it, right? And I really think it needs more cumin. So you're going to have to taste this and add additional seasonings that you like. I don't know if it'll fit on here. Let's see. All right, so I'm going to cover it up. Ooh, it's going to make it. I'm going to cover it up, leave it in the refrigerator overnight, and then tomorrow we'll taste it and make sure it doesn't need any more seasoning. So after it sits all night, we'll taste it in the morning. See how easy that was? Well, it's the next morning. I've made the corn dip last night, and now we're going to try it this morning. Now, here's our corn dip. Been in the refrigerator all night. I'm going to make an individual serving instead of decorating all of it this morning. I'm going to garnish it lightly with a little cayenne. My husband says you can never have too much cayenne pepper, but that's wrong, for me anyway. Little cilantro, a little green onion, and if you wish, I did this bacon very crispy, a little bacon on top, and I think you can never have too much bacon, but anyway, so there we go. Now you're going to serve this with your favorite chip, but I'm going to use a spoon to do it. Let's try this. That is good. Good, simple to make, makes a lot. Great for game day. Corn dip, full of flavor and textures with the corn, cilantro, green onions, and with all those cheeses blended together. Well, it made a very tasty dip, perfect for game day. We use cream cheese, but as I said, you can substitute mayonnaise. I recommend you warm slightly before serving. This will soften the cream cheese a bit, making it even more dippable. Is that a word? But don't heat it too much. Anyway, I hope you give this a try soon, and please let me know what you think. Of course, you can find this recipe on my website, darlenestable.com. God bless, and thanks as always for watching Darlene's Table.